Alright, what's going on, everybody? It is Friday, July 30th. My car has officially been in the shop for how many days now? Well, not consecutive days, because I had it back for half a day. So we're looking at, it's been in the shop since June 30th, so about 30 days. Subtract the one day I had it. It's allegedly due to fixed today. So me and Suzi J are heading to the dealership now to drop off the loaner car and to pick up the new car. So as I said before, they had left the roof open when I first dropped it off, and the car filled up with water. So Suze had called, and allegedly they have detailed the car to bring it back to new, which is hopefully the case. She's coming there to inspect it. We did find mold last time when we did get back, because they didn't seem to clean it. I don't know, quite sure what they did last time. So we're going there now and we'll see how it goes. All right, we got the car back. They did a very good job cleaning. It smells like a brand new car in here. They cleaned the outside and the inside, which is the inside was needed to be done. And they did a very clean job. So let's start this bad Larry up and see if we have any errors. All right, so see that brake light? That thing stayed on last time, and the check engine light came on. All right, lights are off, everything's off. Car's running. All right, let's see if it goes into gear. No problem. All right, well, there's only one way to test this thing, so I'm gonna drive it around for a little while and see how it goes. I do have to say, if this is fixed, then I'm satisfied with the work they did. Unfortunately, what I'm not satisfied is why they were virtually impossible to contact for a month. Every day we called. If you just didn't know what the problem is, or you guys were very busy, tell us. Communication is premier. You know what I mean? I'm very, very, easy going when it comes to that. Knowing when things are busy. If you just tell me you're busy, you're not gonna be able to get it for a week. Just talk to me. Let me know. I want to make sure nothing's getting screwed around. You know what I mean? And then, it's like a car. It's what I need to get around with. So it's not like this was just a hobby or a toy. I need to get to work and stuff. So I appreciate them giving me the loaner car. Seems like they fixed the problem. They didn't charge me for any of the additional work. So all together, said and done, if everything stays the way it is and everything's good, it was $1,100 initially, and it was probably about another $900 in rental cars prior to me getting the loaner car. So 6 weeks of going back and forth to the dealership. God, nightmare. All right, well, we got it back. It ran. We drove for about 30 miles. Nice and clean, just like a brand new car, which is perfect. No smell. Yeah. So, fingers crossed. We'll drive it for about 100 miles and see how we go. Hopefully, this was it. This is all we needed. I do need an oil change for it, and I do need to swap out, get that rear tire back in. But even the tires look nice, and put the new tire on. So I think we did okay. Hopefully, this stuck. So fingers crossed. All right, we are at the Seadogs Game in Portland. Henry's third baseball game of the season. Smile. Almost time to go in.
Anywhere you're sitting, because that is an overthrown or a batted ball is getting into the stadium, please see one of our ushers will accommodate you, find you a safer spot. And new for this year, first time, there is no smoking inside Hadlock Field, so please don't smoke. And let's get it.
Excitement's too much for the little man. Can you say hi? You want to get some dinner? You're now in Portsmouth. Wow. Cool little town. All the back little roads and everything. See the tugboat, Henry? Big old tugboats. And the bridge. He's got his new sweatshirt on. Go Seadogs. Can you say hi to Gigi? Can you say Gigi? Gigi? Henry got the fish and chips, and he's stealing one of Daddy's French fries. You can steal one of my French fries. They're gonna be hot though. Mama got the steak salad. Daddy got the pork sandwich. But my French fries different than your French fries? I mean, I don't mind. I'll share. And a bit of flame. Alright, give you an update on the Jeep. So far it's been 150 miles we put on it and no issues so far. So I think we've solved the problem. We're taking it on a long trip next weekend. So that'll be the ultimate test. We'll see what goes on with that. Hopefully no problems at all. But as you can see, nice and shiny. They detailed the exterior and the interior, which is brand new. So I can't complain on that. And it's running really good. So I need an oil change. I'm gonna get the one this week and then we'll be ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the adventures of the Jeep and us going to Portland and Portsmouth, New Hampshire. And subscribe, leave your comments. We'll talk to you guys soon. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the little alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.